Hi guys! So yung pag-uusapan natin today is about dun sa polynomial. Okay? So, ano nga ba siya? And ano yung mga monomial, binomial, and trinomial? Okay? So, paano natin siya makaklassify as polynomial? Okay? So, let's start. Okay guys, para mas maintindihan natin yung concept ng polynomial, kailangan muna natin maintindihan yung word na term. Pag sinabing term, ito lang yung pag nag-multiply tayo ng number at saka ng letter. Okay? Any letter. So, pag pinag-multiply natin yan, ang gagawin lang natin is pagsasamahin lang natin. Okay? Ang tawag dito sa number na to ay coefficient. Okay? And then, yung tawag naman dito sa letter I, variable. Okay? So, variable, kahit na anong letter yan. Okay? Now, ang bawat variable ay merong exponent. So, pag wala kayong nakitang number dyan, matic, that is 1. So, di ba ang rule naman, kapag ang exponent is 1, laging yun pa rin naman yung sagot. So, walang effect. So, for example, pag sinabi kong 2 raised to 1, equivalent sa 2 lang yan. Okay? So, we don't need to write the coefficient 1. Okay? Now, ang mangyayari dyan ngayon, pwede din na ang isang term ay more than one variable. So, let's say 3x, y. Okay? So, isang term din yan. Ngayon, ang 3x ba, pwede ko bang gawing x and 3? Technically, yes. Kasi diba, pag multiplication, meron siyang property na kahit pagbaliktarin mo, same pa rin yung product. So, let's say 2 times 3, that's 6. Pag ginawa kong 3 times 2, that's 6. But, ang normal or yung more conventional way of writing it is nauuna yung coefficient. Okay? So, again, term is like just multiplying a number and a variable, and it could have more than one variable, and bawat variable ay mayroong exponent. Okay? Okay guys, so pag-usapan na natin yung concept ng polynomial. And nagka-classify ang polynomial depende dun sa term or ilan yung terms natin. So pag sinabi natin isang term lang, tinatawag natin siya na monomial na type ng polynomial. Okay? So from the word itself, mono, it means one. Kaya one term lang yan. So pag sinabi natin x, is that a term? Yes. Tama ba? Kasi diba ang coefficient niyan is 1 and then yung exponent ng variable natin is 1. So yes, that is a term because meron tayong coefficient and meron tayong variable na may exponent na 1. So x is a one term, therefore we call that monomial. Okay? Another thing is 5. Is that a term? Yes. Why? Kasi diba sabi natin ang term ay coefficient and then variable. Dito, hindi man nakikita yung variable niya, but we can think that meron siyang kasama na x raised to 0. Okay? Kung naalala niyo yung rule ng exponent, diba, anything na merong na exponent na 0, ang equivalent lang is 1. Let's say we have 2 raised to 0, that is 1. Or, if we have 3 raised to 0, it's still 1. Okay? So, kahit na ano yung base mo, pag 0 yung exponent, equivalent lang ng 1. So, technically, meron tayong 5 times 1 and it's still 5. So, walang effect kung ilagay ko man yung x raised to 0 or wala. Okay? So, kaya tinatawag natin tong constant term kasi hindi siya nagbabago. But yes, it's a term kasi nga meron siyang invisible variable na x and meron siyang exponent na 0. Okay? So, 5 is also monomial. Okay? Another example of monomial is we can have 5x. Okay? So, isang term din siya. So, we have 5 as coefficient and then x as variable and then exponent na 1. Okay? Or we can have more than one variable. Alright? So, coefficient, variable na may exponent ng 1 and 2. Alright? So, that is monomial. One term only, and that is one type of polynomial. Okay, so another type of polynomial is what we call binomial. So, from the word itself, bi, so ibig sabihin yan like bicycle, it's 2. So, pag 2 terms na, tinatawag na natin siyang binomial. Okay? So, let's say, we have 1 term, and then kanina, pwede ding term yung 5, and then inad natin. So, in this case, meron tayong isang term, and then isang term, na pinagsama natin ng addition, so you call that binomial. Okay? So, another example is, pag minus natin siya, tinatawag pa rin niyang binomial. So, any two terms na pag pinag-combine by addition and subtraction, you call that binomial. Okay? So, another example, we can say 2x, it's another term, plus 6. Okay? That is also a binomial. Let's say x squared, let's say 3x squared minus 2x, that is also a binomial. Okay? Basta dalawa lang yung term na pinagsama ng addition or subtraction, that is binomial. Okay? Okay, so another type of polynomial is what we call trinomial. So from the prefix, that is tri, so tricycle, so tatlong terms naman. Okay? So let's say we have 2x squared, okay, that is one term, plus 4x, and then minus 5x. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3 terms na pinagsama ng addition and subtraction. Okay? So kapag trinomial, dapat 3 terms na pinagsama ng addition and subtraction. Let's have another example. So we can say we have 4x cubed plus x plus 2. So we have 1, 2, 3 terms na pinagsama lang ng addition. You can still call that as trinomial. Okay? What else? So let's say we have x cubed or x squared y cubed minus x plus y. So, ilang term? 1, 2, 3 na pinagsama ng subtraction and addition. And yes, you call that trinomial. Okay? So again, kapag tatlo yung terms, ang tawag dyan ay trinomials. Okay, so paano pag meron na tayong ganitong expression? So we have here 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 2. So kung bibilangin natin yung terms natin, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dahil wala na tayong special name, ang tatawagin na lang natin dyan ay polynomials. Okay? So, meron lang tayong special name na monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Pero pag more than 3 na yung ating terms, tatawagin na natin yung polynomial. Okay? So, in short, ang ibig sabihin lang ng polynomial is yung pinagsama-sama nating term by putting addition and subtraction. Okay? So, technically, pwede rin nating tawagin na polynomial yung binomial and trinomial. Kasi pinagsama natin yun ng pwedeng addition and subtraction. Okay? Okay. So, another thing na kailangan nating maintindihan or malaman sa concept ng polynomial is yung Okay. So, another word na kailangan nating malaman sa concept ng polynomial is yung word na degree. Okay? So, let's say we have 5x raised to 4. So, yung degree niyan is nakabase dun sa exponent ng variable. Okay? So, we have here 4. So, that is 4th degree polynomial. Okay? So, pag sinabi naman natin 5x, so, alam naman natin na ang exponent ng x kapag wala ay 1. So, therefore, you call that first degree of polynomial or first degree polynomial. Okay? And if it's only a number, constant term, so alam naman natin na meron siyang invisible na variable na x na merong exponent na 0. So, therefore, that is a 0 degree polynomial. Okay? And then, kapag naman more than 2 yung kanyang variable, so let's say we have this one, ang mangyayari sa term na yan, i-add mo yung exponent nila. Therefore, yung degree niya is 5th degree polynomial. Okay? So, bakit natin kailangang malaman yung degree ng isang polynomial? Kasi dun naka-classify kung anong klase siyang polynomial. Okay? Bukod dun sa number of terms. Alright? So, let's have example. Okay, so ngayon, magka-classify tayo ng ating polynomials based dun sa degree and sa type. Okay? So, example, we have your 2x raised to 4 minus 8. So, kung titingnan nyo yung degree niya, so dapat i-check nyo yung bawat term. And hanapin nyo yung pinakamataas yung exponent ng variable nila. Okay? Now, we have here yung variable na x raised to 4, and then si 8, alam natin na x raised to 0 yan. Diba? So, kung pipiliin natin or kung titingnan natin, ang mas mataas na variable is yung 4. So, ibig sabihin, yung degree ng polynomial nito ay 4th degree. And ang tawag dyan ay quartic. Alright? And then, kung titignan nyo yung type ng polynomial niya, so dahil 2 terms, so ibig sabihin, that is binomial. So, to classify this polynomial, that is 4th degree binomial or quartic binomial. Okay? Okay, so how about this one? We have x squared plus x minus 3. So, kung titignan natin yung degree, yung exponent ng bawat term, so we have 2 and 1. So, dito, 0. Tama ba? So, yung pinakamataas is 2. So, ibig sabihin that is second degree or yung tinatawag nating quadratic. Okay? And then, ilan yung terms niya? That's 3. So, tinatawag natin siyang trinomial. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, to classify this polynomial, tatawagin natin siyang quadratic trinomial or second degree trinomial. Okay? Okay, so how about this? 3x raised to 5. So, since nag-iisa lang naman ang ating variable, so yung exponent niya na 5, ang degree niya is 5th degree. Other term for that is quintile. Quintile, okay? So, let's just call it 5th degree. And yung type ng kanyang polynomial, since isa lang yung term, that is monomial. Okay? So, you can classify this polynomial as 5th degree monomial. Okay? How about 2x minus 4? So, ang ating pinakamataas na exponent ay 1. Okay? So, ibig sabihin that is first degree. And yung type niya is dahil 2 terms, that is first degree binomial. Okay? Alright, so how about this one? 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus 6. So, ang pinakamataas na exponent ay 3. So, that is third degree or tinatawag nating cubic. Okay? And then, yung type ng ating polynomial, dahil tatlo yung terms niya, so that is trinomial. So, we call this cubic trinomial or third degree trinomial. Okay? Okay, so how about this one? We have 4x squared y cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 1. So, ano yung degree ng polynomial na to? So, titingnan natin yung bawat term. So, bawat term ay ganito. Okay? And, kung meron siyang more than one variable at may nakita kang exponent, i-add mo yon. So, in this case, dahil meron tayong variable na 2 and 3, so yung term na to, meron siyang 5. Tama ba? So, in short, dahil ang sumunod is 2, tsaka 1, tsaka 0. So, ibig sabihin, yung pinakamataas nating na exponent is yung 5. Okay? Etong term na to. So, ibig sabihin, dahil 5, nasa 5th degree tayo, okay, ng polynomial, or pwede rin tawaging quintile. And yung type ng ating polynomial, dahil 4 yung terms, so, tatawagin na lang natin siyang 5th degree of polynomial or quintile polynomial. Okay? Again, wala na tayong special name kapag more than 3 na yung terms niya. Kaya tatawagin na lang natin yung polynomial. Okay? Okay guys, so I have here 2 raised to x plus 4, x raised to negative 3 plus 3x, 1 over x plus 7, and then x raised to square root of 2 plus 3. So, kung mapapansin nyo yung mga exponent nila, merong x, negative 3, and then naka-fraction, and then yung radical na exponent. If ganito yung scenario guys, hindi natin ito maka-classify kasi unang-una, hindi sila polynomials. Okay? Ang polynomial, dapat, ang exponent niya ay positive integer. Okay? Integer. So, ibig sabihin, whole number, hindi siya variable, and dapat positive, hindi siya negative. Okay? Ito, 'di ba yung pag sinabi natin 1 over x, negative yung exponent niyan. Okay? Pag sinulat natin na ganito yung style. Okay? And of course, pag radical, hindi rin siya polynomial. Okay? So, hindi natin ito classify. Alright, so another thing kung bakit kailangan natin malaman yung degree ng polynomial natin bukod sa para ma-classify natin siya is para ma-arrange natin. Okay? So let's say we have 4x raised to 5 plus 8 minus 10x. Okay? So, kung napapansin nyo, meron na una yung x raised to 5 and then nandun sa dulo yung 10x. So, kung isusulat natin yung variable nila at yung exponent nila, di ba si 8 ang kanyang variable ay x raised to 0. Tama? So, ito, 1 yung variable niya, ito 5. So, dahil alam na natin yung exponent at alam na natin yung degree niya, so dapat i-arrange natin sila ng from highest to lowest. Okay? So, ang mauuna ay 4x raised to 5. Okay? Sumunod is yung etong term. But be careful guys na isasama natin yung sign nila. So kung ano man yung sign dito na katabi ng coefficient, ibig sabihin yan yung sign niya. Okay? So, the next thing na kailangan isunod natin sa 4x raised to 5 ay negative 10x. Okay? And then nasa dulo na yung ating 8, yung constant term. Alright? So, meron na tayong naka-arrange na 4x raised to 5 minus 10x plus 8. So, meron tayong 5, 1, and 0 na exponent. So, from highest to lowest na yan. Now, possible ba na pwedeng mag-skip ng exponent? Kasi, di ba, from 5, naging 1. So, nawawala yung exponent na 4, 3, 2. Tama ba? So, let's say we have them. So, we have 4x raised to 5. And then, of course, positive. Ang magiging coefficient niya ay magiging 0 and let's say raised to 4. Okay? Para lang makita natin yung pagkakasunod-sunod. And then, let's say 0x raised to 3 plus 0x squared. And then, minus 10x and then plus 8. Okay? So, ganyan yung pagkakasunod-sunod pag ilalagay natin yung nawawalang 4, 3, 2 na exponents. Okay? So, tatanggalin ko lang muna to para makita natin. So, pag sinabi nating 0x raised to 4 or 0x cubed or 0x squared, ang equivalent lang naman nila is 0. Okay? So, pag pinag-add-add mo yan, wala rin namang bearing kung i-add natin siya dito sa 4x squared plus yung 0 na tatlong to plus yung 10x, oh no, not plus, minus 10x plus yung 8. Tama ba? So, we don't need actually to write this one. Okay? Kaya hindi na natin kailangan magsingit ng mga nawawalang variable para lang masabi natin na magkakasunod sila. It's okay. It's fine kasi wala naman ding epekto. Basta ang importante, maka-arrange tayo ng tama dun sa polynomial natin. Okay? Okay, so arrange natin tong polynomial natin. So we have your 5x squared minus 4x cubed plus 2x squared y raised to 4. So meron tayong tatlong terms. Okay? So kung titignan natin yung kada term natin, yung isa, merong 2 na exponent, and then yung isa, merong 3, and then yung itong term na to, meron dalawang variable na exponent is 2 and 4. So, kung pagsasamahin natin yan, ang degree niyan is 5, or exponent niya is 5. So, therefore, itong polynomial nito, ay nasa degree na fifth. Okay? So, i-arrange natin siya based dun sa pinakamataas hanggang pinakamababa. So, ang mangyayari, meron tayong positive na 2x squared and then y raised to 4. And then, isusunod natin yung negative na 4x cubed. At last na yung positive na 5x squared. Okay? So, magkakasunod na yung term natin based dun sa degree ng exponent nila or degree ng term nila. Okay?